And good afternoon, everybody. This is Michael Filigera. I am with logicalsignals.com and tradershelpingtraders.com. And this is the Elliott wave update for the NASDAQ 100 for Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. The market continues to really hold to my current expectations and my current view for the very, very near term, or the 30-minute down charts, which is what we're using for trading. So it's continuing to hold pretty cleanly. And that is good because it's been enabling me to make decent money on these moves. When you're expecting them and you can get your moving averages to line up with you, it's like getting a free pass and going around Go and collecting $200. And we got that both up and down today very quickly within the first hour and a half. The upside was like real fast, and then the downside was over the next hour and a half. In any case, profitable trading. And then it went into a little bit of a, up and down and not really going anywhere type of a move for the balance of the session. Now, what's going on? It appears that we have finished this initial 5 waves up as a part of the minute 5th wave up that we're looking for to complete minor wave 5, to complete intermediate wave 5, to complete primary wave 3. So big picture, we're working our way up to finish a primary 3rd wave. The market, I believe, starts to smell this, folks, because this is only the first wave. And you see these sellers came in immediately. Oh, it only took 1 hour and a half, but they pushed it down 143 points. And that was a pretty easy push. Did not take very long to knock $143 right off the value. So when this thing really does decide to give up the ghost, it's just going to be straight down. It truly is. Buyers will be just us lonely, day traders. It'll toss a bone, and we're talking a little scrap of a bone. Yes, I'll buy your 1 lot, I'll buy your 2 lot. And hopefully we'll all be in a position where we'll be able to trade a little bit larger, because that's when the truly big money will be made. And the market will give it up. Trust me. In the meantime, we did come down. We did rally back up in a 3-wave pattern. Let's drop it down to the 15 so I can take a little bit closer look and make it see it's nice. Yep, an A and a B and a C. And it does appear to be working its way lower and likely wanting to fall, but it hasn't. And I can't go physically over there, just give it a nudge. It's sitting right underneath the 50-day moving average and doing nothing. But my expectation would be that we're likely to get another leg down. And this is 145 points. So we need to just the first and most common relationship is that if indeed that did complete the B wave, we're going to get a C wave down. 145 points, or even if we go 140 points, is going to be 36.93. And here we have 50% level, 36.90. Nice. And that fits perfectly. This is the most common. That's the second most common. And then the third on the outside is right here. So even if it's 636, if I may have done my math wrong, actually it's going to be between the two. So, and that all works out very cleanly. So I don't think, if the market turns and just kind of rallies its tail off, yes, we'll consider wave 2 done here. And I don't know, I'll figure something out. But just the way this pattern's left in this pattern, it does feel like we still need a little bit more downside. But to be honest with you, it doesn't have to go much below current low for the sequence, which is at 13,742, we're going to call it. So below 42 might give us a little bit of an acceleration down to here. But if it stopped there and started to rally, and started to break above moving averages and break above levels that we believe should have then completed this move without reaching these lower levels, it's going to be the pattern and it's going to be the structure. If we can count 5 waves down clean, not breaking any rules, then it's going to be done. And we'll be looking for the next wave up to begin. It's going to announce the same way as we always say. It's going to be a 3rd wave, albeit a sub-minute 3rd wave, but Third waves are third waves, folks. Boom, you're going to get a move. It'll go 150 points. They'll tack on another 150 points. It'll be an intense rally as it kicks off this third. Remember, ultimately, we're still looking for the highs, the all-time new highs. And to find a spot where this all could complete, that's the tricky part that's going to be a little bit out there right now. So I would be looking for at least 14,064 to be broken. And within that, that's the new high, and anything above that could complete the whole sequence. Again, we're keeping an eye on the intensity of the sellers, what points they're picking to come in, why they're looking to come in now, et cetera, because that's what we're going to start to see to happen. And it may go in both directions as we get towards the end of this month, end of the second quarter. Who wants to take profit in what and hold on to what? So there will be a lot of two-way trade, and it's likely going to be pretty sudden and choppy. Going and heading to an all-time high on this level, it's a 13-year all-time high. Actually, in all of its existence, all-time high, but this particular run has taken 13 years to get us here. So I would anticipate that it's going to get there in mighty fashion. It'll fall from either more spectacular fashion, and that'll kind of provide a lot of opportunities. I'm going to end it there. I'm going to continue to promote that on the June the 21st, I will be starting the Logical Signals Trade Room. Please make sure that you're on my mailing list so that you will receive notification of the invitation to join that trade room, and so that you can take care of that and come and join us on the 21st. My goal, again, is to really provide an educational, a personalized educational experience through a trade room and coaching. So again, that'll be starting on June 21st. Get on my mailing list or subscribe on YouTube, because I'll be sending it out to everybody who subscribes on one of my YouTube channels. And the next update will be Wednesday, June 9th. Have a great trading day.